In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a pie chart in Excel. A pie chart is a simple and effective way to show how different parts make up a whole. It works best when you want to compare categories as portions of one complete set of data. In Excel, creating one is very quick once your data is organized in a table with clear headers. To begin, highlight your table data and headers. This is important because Excel uses the selected cells to build the chart. The headers help label the chart correctly, and the data values tell Excel how large each slice of the pie should be. As you select the table, make sure you include both the category names and the numbers that belong to them. If your table has extra blank rows or unrelated information, leave those out so the chart stays clean and accurate. Once your data is selected, click Insert on the top ribbon. The Insert tab is where Excel keeps the tools for adding visual elements like charts, tables, and illustrations. After you open that tab, look for the Chart section. This area gives you different chart styles, each designed to present data in a specific way. Next, click the pie chart icon. It usually appears as a small circle graphic, and it represents chart options that break data into slices. When you click it, Excel will show a menu with a few pie chart variations. This lets you choose the style that best matches what you need. From that menu, click 2D Pie. This is the standard pie chart format and is usually the easiest to read. As soon as you select it, Excel will generate the chart automatically using the data you highlighted earlier. Each category will appear as its own slice, and the size of each slice will reflect its value in relation to the total. If your chart appears right away, that means Excel has successfully interpreted your selection. If something looks off, such as missing labels or incorrect slices, the most common cause is the original data selection. In that case, simply go back and make sure the full table data and headers were highlighted properly before inserting the chart again. That is the full process. Highlight the table data and headers. Go to Insert, click the pie chart icon, and choose 2D Pie. Once you do that, your pie chart will be ready to use in your worksheet. That covers everything you need to know.